Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to learn about hobbies in Cantonese. Let's get started. By asking what's your hobbies, you can say 你有咩興趣?你有咩興趣? or 你有咩嗜好?你有咩嗜好? Or you can ask 你平時鍾意做啲咩? 你平時鍾意做啲咩? It means, what do you like to do in your leisure time? You can answer by I like to do certain thing. 我鍾意 and then that certain thing. 我鍾意我鍾意 So let's learn a list of hobbies in Cantonese. Hiking is 行山行山 Shopping 行街行街 Watching movies 睇戲睇戲 or 睇電影睇電影 Watching TV series 睇劇睇劇 Reading 睇書睇書 Listening to music is 聽歌聽歌 or 聽音樂聽音樂 Cantonese song is 廣東歌廣東歌 So by extending the sentence and making more details, you can say 我鍾意聽廣東歌我鍾意聽廣東歌 I like to listen to Cantonese music. Taking photos is 影相影相 Going to karaoke 唱卡拉 OK 唱卡拉 OK Playing chess 捉棋捉棋 Chinese chess is 中國象棋中國象棋 or simply 象棋象棋 Dancing 跳舞跳舞 Playing 麻將打麻雀打麻雀 For those who don't know what is mahjong, it's a Chinese game, very popular one, but actually different district they have different rules. For example, in Guangdong area, they have different rules than in some other part of China. Traveling is 去旅行去旅行 Swimming 游水游水 Playing online games 打機打機 Cooking 煮嘢食煮嘢食 or 整嘢食整嘢食 That's the end of today's lesson. Next time we will talk about countries and nationalities in Cantonese. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and put on the bell for the notification of our latest video. See you all next time. 下次見，拜拜。